Hey guys, welcome to another episode on Kind Spirit Tech. So today we are going to talk about GEOM density. And when we talk about density, what is all about? We are talking about a distribution of some kind of value and how many times that or similar values are repeated in our data. Well, for that purpose, I have created this CSV file and I'm going to print it to the screen so you could see. So basically it's nothing special. We have some prices and we have some category. This data is pretty much meaningless, but it's going to serve our purpose for this episode. So what I'm going to do is to create a GGPlot. Well, source is going to be our data. Then we are going to create aesthetics, where X is going to be column price, like this, plus GEOM density, and now I'm going to add some colors. So color of border is going to be black. Let's say color of our surface is going to be, let's say, yellow, and we are going to add alpha 0.75. So what alpha is? So alpha is going to create transparency effect. So every value that we are plotting is going to be transparent 25%. And if I save this, run this, let's see what we got. So what this plot actually means that the most occurrences of our value is around 250, 300. Then we have a smaller amount of repetitions of values around 500, a little bit more with 700, and we have only few elements with value of 1000 and above 1000. And I'm going to prove that. You see, we have only two elements with value of 1000 and 1250, and the most of values are 65, 89, 150, 35. So this plot is completely valid. Now let's say that you want to mirror your data. How to do that? Now, instead of providing price as value, I'm going to provide x equals x, and the source of our data is going to remain data. And now with density we are going to provide aesthetics like this. X is going to be equal to price and y is going to be, now be careful, double dots, density, double dots. I'm going to explain what this is. And everything else it's fine. Then plus, and repeat this part like this. Everything is going to remain the same in aesthetics, except in density we are going to use minus density. So we are going to create a double plot, and one plot is going to be on positive side and another plot is going to be on negative side. And we are going to change some color of filling, let's say to blue. Okay, this is fine. Run this code. Okay, what's wrong? Let me check. And somehow I forgot comma. Okay, let's try it again. And if you want to reverse axis of this mirror plot, what you can do, change x to y and vice versa, like this. Run it, and you see what we got right now. And finally, I'm going to show you how to group your density plots by category. So now I'm going to remove this second GEOM plot statement, and let's change this x back to price. I'm going to use another keyword, group. We are going to group it by category, because category is actually our second column, and we are going to fill it by category like this. So we don't need this aesthetics in here. Okay, color black is fine. We don't need any fill in here option. Save it, run it. Okay, what's wrong now? Yes, this plus. So now you understand why we need this alpha option, because we desperately need transparency for our density plot in this case. You see, aside we have these categories. Category D is present in here. So category D, it's category with lower values. Let me show you: 65, 89, 150. Then we have category C. Category C, it's with a little bit bigger values. Let's find some: 250, 300, and 150 in here. So in this way, not only that we could plot our density, but we actually could separate all of this by category. I'm going to add one more option in here. That is going to be X max is going to be equal to 1500. Save it, run it. And you see now we have our maximum values set to 1500. And let's do the same with our minimal value. So X min is going to be, let's say, minus 300. Save it, run it. Okay, this is something better. Let me show you one more option for today. For GEOM density, we are going to add option adjust, and we are going to set it to 1. That is actually default value, so nothing is going to be changed. And now I'm going to set this value to 0.5. So what is going to happen? Every gap in between our values is going to be wider. And if we use bigger values like 2, we are going to get smaller gap or even no gap in between our values per same category. So guys, this is all about GEOM density. I truly hope that you are going to find this tutorial useful, so please like, subscribe, and see ya!